Hi everyone, today is 12th of February 2021 and today is the launch date of Nintendo Switch Mario Red and Blue Edition. We're going to be taking you through the unboxing of the product. So as you can see on the box, looks really colorful, blue and red. You can also see that it does come with a carrying case. We can open the box. Show you the box around. So as you can see, we have two Joy-Con controllers in red color. And the LCD screen. It does have a game card port here, volume up and down, got a port for headphones, and then you can see on the sides it's got ports for Joy-Cons. Next, as you saw in the box, it does come with a carry case. I have to say the carry case is really colorful and it does look neat. Next we have the instructions book, and it does come with a screen protector as well. Important information. HDMI cable, a charger, and then we have a Joy-Con comfort holder. It is a nice blue color. And then the next one in the box, we have the docking station for the Switch. And the last two items in there are the Joy-Con slide on wrist straps for each of the Joy-Cons. Okay, that's everything from today's unboxing. Thank you everyone for watching.